Was the first computer virus just a joke? Today, when we hear about computer viruses, we think of damage, data theft, and security issues. But interestingly, the first virus in history wasn't created to cause any harm. There's a fascinating story behind it. And if you stay until the end of the video, you'll see how the world of viruses actually began. In 1971, an engineer named Bob Thomas at BBN Technologies decided to create something like an experiment. What he designed later became known as the world's first computer virus, Creeper. But Creeper didn't have any malicious intent. What it did was simply display a message on the screen when it entered a system. "I'm the Creeper. Catch me if you can." It didn't delete any data, didn't harm the system, and sometimes even deleted itself after running. In fact, you could say Creeper was more like an engineering joke or an experiment on the concept of self-replication in software. This project showed that programs could move from one computer to another without human intervention. But this simple idea sparked the entire world of today's viruses and malware. Interestingly, shortly after, the first antivirus was also created. A program called Reaper whose job was to find and delete Creeper. So the world of viruses and antiviruses was basically born at the same time. Today, viruses no longer just leave playful messages. They can destroy systems, steal information, and cause major damage. But the beginning of it all was just a mischievous little message. Now, here's a question for you. What do you think would have happened to the internet today if the first computer virus had been created with malicious intent?